Today's electric grids
I call it trying to operate a semi-truck like a race car.
continue to challenge power plant operations around the world.
They're very complex. I mean, when you start talking about coal-fired units, gas units, even the renewable ones, and incorporating them the right way,
The work EPRI's Steve Seachman and his team are doing right now
we really need to be able to show them that these things can ramp faster, hit more minimum load, more stable minimum load, and even meet like grid demands and frequency demands as well.
is helping utilities save both time and money.
Having a computational environment to test those things out is much easier than building a plant each time we want to do one of these type of controls tests.
When utility companies need to upgrade their control systems for operational consistency, they often turn to EPRI, who can test them out virtually.
You have to be able to accelerate the technologies and kind of instill confidence in your utility members when you start saying, hey, we're going to change the controls of these plants.
EPRI's innovative simulation environments allow for lots of validation before implementation to meet today's biggest demand: flexibility.
Make sure that these operators that are being more cross-trained can have a better understanding of how the plant needs to operate during startups and shutdowns, the better we can run these plants safely and effectively.
By showcasing real-world use cases like advanced steam temperature control and combined cycle units, EPRI reduces implementation risks and optimizes power plants.
Go after option one. So we really give them those options as they move forward with their decision making, that it's not just here's vendor solution one, it's going to solve all your problems. All these can solve your problems, but here's the drawbacks and advantages of each one.